Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. So today is the second lecture of the chapter the world climate. So in this chapter in this unit we are going to be talking about a little in detail about the world climate. So in previous chapter we discussed about the effect of climate and how it's affecting the weather condition of different areas. So in this unit, we will be discussing about the effects of varying climate conditions on lives of the humans. मतलब कि हमारी लाइफ किस तरीके से अफेक्ट हो रही है because of climate change. So let's get started from looking at it. So your results are back. It's climate change. How many greenhouse gases have you been consuming? So in the previous unit we talked about the two gases that the earth has been consuming, that is carbon dioxide and methane, and because of which the earth is having global warming, the ices are melting, high sea level and heavier rainfall, and that is why we call it climate change. So what is happening is what are we doing? Like this guy on your left, he is drying his clothes in the dryer. Like we have when we wash our clothes, we have a dryer with it as well. In some machines, some washing machines it's inbuilt it. In some you have to separately dry, and some people don't have a dryer, they just use the washing machine. So this guy is using a dryer which is not very good for the environment. So what we can do is we can use natural things to dry our clothes, which is through the sunlight. So on your right, the guy is drying his clothes from the sunlight, whereas the left one is drying his clothes from the dryer, and that is going to be affecting the climate as well. Why? Because the dryer is will be using energy to be used, electricity यूज होती है ड्रायर को यूज़ करने के लिए, एंड दैट इज़ एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनाने के लिए हमें बहुत सारे कोल्स जलाने होते हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट तरीके की तरीके से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनती है, और उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, हमारे क्लाइमेट में असर पड़ता है. Now what are the weather changes and infections? So when the weather changes, when climate changes, what happens is we feel cold, we have this many types of health issues that we suffer from. Number one is cold, fever, loose motion, vomiting, joint pains, skin problems, eye infections, etc., etc. These are the things that we face when the weather or the climate changes. Then weather changes and infections. Fever is a part of immune mechanism to abolish the germs causing infection. So fever helps to kill viruses and bacteria by increasing the temperature of the body, which is not favorable for the germs to grow. So looking at climate change is both a developmental issue and an environmental issue as well. डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज़, जो कंट्रीज़ जो है डेवलप हो रही हैं, जो कि गरीब गरीब कंट्रीज़ हैं और वो डेवलप हो रही हैं, इंडस्ट्रीज़ लग रही हैं, एग्रीकल्चरली डेवलप हो रही हैं. सो द डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज़ आर मोर वनरेबल टू क्लाइमेट चेंज देन रिच कंट्रीज़. So climate change may be limited to specific region, or it may occur across the whole earth. It can be caused by recurring and cyclical climate problems. There is a need to understand these factors for reducing the effect. So what we need to change the way we interact with the environment, because and that is how we can stop climate change. So there are a lot of measures to be taken upon the combat of impact of global climate change in the context of human health related issues. This uh, this highlights the effect of global climatic change on human health and the well-being of all life on earth, and the strategies to be adopted to combat the effect on human health. So there are several things that we can do, and one of them is we should not throw the trash everywhere. We should put it in the dustbin, and that trash that is in the dustbin should be recycled properly, so that we don't have trash and उसकी वजह से हमारा जो environment है वो ख़राब नहीं हो. Okay, now let's learn about the term climatology. Climatology क्या होता है? It's an important branch of Earth and atmospheric sciences. So it's a branch of atmospheric sciences. And what it focuses on? It focuses on various aspects, including the changes in global climate and their causative factors, their effects on the life and ecosystem, and simulates the situation for future causes and action and sustenance. So climate change is both an developmental and environmental issue. Developing countries are more vulnerable to climate change than rich countries. So now let's come back to climatology. Climatology क्या करता है basically? वो जो है ना देखता है कि किस वजूहात की वजह से हमारे पास ग्लोबल क्लाइमेटिक चेंज हो रहा है, उसके कॉजेज़ को पता करता है, और जब वो चेंज होता है तो वो उसके ऊपर मॉनिटर करता है, और उसके बाद जो है उसके इफेक्ट्स को मेजर करता है, और इकोसिस्टम पे उसका क्या इफेक्ट होता है उसको मेजर करता है, और फ्यूचर में इसका क्या इफेक्ट होगा उसको भी मेजर करता है. ठीक है. So the poor people are expected to be the most of the risk for increasing impact of volatility, extreme weather patterns. तो जो गरीब लोग होते हैं, अगर ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ती है सबसे ज़्यादा गरीब लोग ही अफेक्ट होते हैं, और ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ती है तब भी गरीब लोग ही अफेक्ट करते हैं. तो इसी तरीके से मुल्कों में भी यही होता है. जो रिच कंट्रीज होती हैं उनको इतना इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता क्लाइमेट चेंज से, मगर जो गरीब कंट्रीज होती हैं उनको बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट पड़ता है क्लाइमेट चेंज होने से. Now let's look at the world climate system. So the world's climate system is an integral part of complex of life supporting process. It is one of the large number of natural systems that are now coming under pressure from increasing weight of human population and economic activities. So they are saying that जो population है वो बढ़ती जा रही है, उसकी वजह से जो climate system है वो affect हो रहा है. The context and process of global climate change, its actual or likely impact on health, and how human societies should respond to it is a matter of serious concern to the world. So this is what they are telling about the world climate system. अब जो जो हम काम कर रहे हैं उसकी वजह से ये climate system change हो रहा है. और क्या हो रहा है? सबसे मेजर वजह है हमारा human population बढ़ रही है, और हमें ज़्यादा जो है चीज़ें चाहिए, मगर वो चीज़ें बन नहीं रही हैं. उसकी वजह से हम अननेचुरल चीज़ों की तरफ जा रहे हैं. उस तरफ से हम चीज़ें बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. उसकी वजह से हमारे पास जो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ बढ़ रही हैं, और हमारा जो है पॉपुलेशन तो जनरली बढ़ ही रही है. उसकी वजह से हमारा जो है क्लाइमेट जो है वो अफेक्ट हो रहा है. So I'll be ending our lecture here today. I hope you understood some of the things. You have to attempt the quizzes afterwards, and see you all in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.